listening skill variant noise listening skill noise writing skill Carl stand for a cognitive academic language proficiency mother tongue advantage better concept clarity mother tongue advantage multilingualism in India resources mother tongue advantage better concept clarity multilingualism in India research reading skill of decoding comprehension reading skill decoding comprehension reading skill decoding comprehension writing skill stages writing skill होची rewriting drafting revising listening skill मेरे noise listening skill noise speaking skill role play school management barrier free environment होची ramp railings school management ramp railings SMC stand for school management committee barrier free environment होची ramp school management SMC school management committee midday meal objective is nutrition attendance highlight of right to education protection उसको actors protection children for sexual abuse midday meal nutrition attendance midday meal objective is nutrition attendance teacher is facilitator of inclusive class differentiate instruction IEP individual education plan research room meant for special support collaborative teaching में general plus special collaborative teaching में general plus special teacher parental involvement important for evaluation progress child with special needs collaborative teaching में general plus special teacher special research room special support unequal treatment but T prohibits capitation fee at T prohibits right to education CC for CWSN flexible Braille for visual impaired ପାଇଁ ଦେଖାଯାଉନଥିବ ସାଇନ୍ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ଫର୍ ହିୟରିଂ ଇମ୍ପେୟାର୍ଡ ପାଇଁ ଶୁଣିପାରୁନଥିବ ସାଇନ୍ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ यूनिवर्सल डिजाइन फॉर लर्निंग inclusive education means application PRT inclusive education, one school for all. Salman Ka Declaration 1994. Salman Ka RPW Act 16 barrier to inclusion ମାନେ attitudinal barrier to inclusion ଅନ୍ତର୍ଭୁକ୍ତିକରଣର barrier ହେଉଛି attitudinal universal design for learning यूनिवर्सल डिजाइन होची यूडीएल याड पानी याड नदी रहउची कोबे ये तो गोटे प्रकार आसीबो जे वर्षा हला एपटे पानी हो मन से आ से तळ गोटे पानी उठे के आनी चली गड याड जाउची पानी ओ कुआड पानी ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम सीबीएसई 9 पॉइंट आउ जे तळुआ रहिथिबे वर्षा रे पानी हेले बुझिबेनी feedback should be specific timely grading system peer assessment self assessment means student assess self action research in assessment action research in assessment to improve teaching होची action research self assessment होची student assess self student assess self लेखना कोन पे बसलो जे peer assessment each other student assess each other self assessment means student assess self belana feedback should be specific timely feedback टा होची specific और timely grading system means CBSE 9 point communication skills specific and timely peer assessment means student assess each other परस्पर को assess करना criterion reference test they compare with the standard norm reference test is compare with the peers objective type test माने MCQ true false objective test होची essay type portfolio assessment collection of student work anecdotal record is behavior objective test essay type objective होची MCQ portfolio assessment portfolio collection of student work collection anecdotal record माने behavioral observation anecdote rating scale माने होची attitude test rating scale measure करी attitude को interest को checklist use for skills दक्षता validity means test measures what claims validity समय सीमा test measure करी what it claims reliability means consistency result विश्वसनीयता norm reference test norm reference होची compare with peers compare करे with peers सहित criterion reference test compare with standard criterion reference test criterion reference test compare with standard
असेसमेंट ऑफ लर्निंग माने समेटिव। असेसमेंट फॉर लर्निंग माने फॉर्मेटिव।
हाँ लिखो
फॉर्मेटिव। असेसमेंट फॉर लर्निंग समेटिव। असेसमेंट फॉर लर्निंग फॉर्मेटिव। मेजरमेंट होची गोटे क्वांटिटेटिव मेजरमेंट टा। असेसमेंट माने लर्निंग माने फॉर्मेटिव चलियो। असेसमेंट ऑफ लर्निंग माने फॉर्मेटिव मेजरमेंट ऑफ क्वांटिटेटिव बोलो सुन।
ମୁଁ କହିଲେ ବିନ୍ଦୁ ଜବଳ ଟିକିଟେ ଦେଉ କି ଏତେ ବଡ଼ ଗୋଟେ ବୁଧା ବ୍ରହ୍ମା କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ବୁଲଉଛ